In today's video, I'll be talking about types of visa in Austria. I'll be taking you guys step by step on those visa types. I'll be talking about the requirements, basically all you need to know. My name is Oge. In case if you're new here, thank you for joining in. Thank you for my old subscribers. I appreciate you guys all. If you're interested, stay tuned. We are going to click here now, applying for a visa, Österreicher.at. As you guys see, this is the logo, as you can see. So here we're going to click visa for Austria. Austria have different types of visa. That is visa for Austria. Up-to-date information on visa for Austria, visa types, applying for a visa, electronic declaration of commitment, visa types. So we're going to click here, visa types. They have visa types, type A visa, airport transit visa, type C visa, short stay visa, type D visa, long-term visa. So we're going to click the first one to know what it's talking about. Type A visa, airport transit visa. In principle, foreign nationals who do not leave the transit area or the aircraft during a stopover at an airport do not require a visa. Nationals of certain countries require a type of visa for transit via Austrian airports unless they meet certain exceptional criteria. The countries in question and the exceptional criteria can be found in the list of visa requirements. Type A visas may not usually be issued in Austria. They may under no circumstances be issued at the border. You guys have seen that. So if it concerns you, take note of that. We are concentrating on type C visa and type D visa. Okay? Type C visa and type D visa. Let's go back. What is type C visa? They say it's short stay visa. This is the standard tourist visa. A type C visa can be issued for a total stay of 90 days within a 180-day period and entitles the holder to enter and reside in the Schengen area. As you guys can see it, only 90 days within this 180-day period. Okay, we move forward. I'm trying to be very fast so that this video will not be long. What are the Schengen countries that you can use type C visa and type D visa to enter? Belgium, Croatia, Czech, Denmark, Germany, Estonia, Greece, Spain, France, Italy, Latvia, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Hungary, Malta, Netherlands, Austria, Poland, Portugal, Slovenia, Slovakia, Finland, Sweden, and non-EU member states, Ireland, Liechtenstein, Norway, and Switzerland. Guys, these are Schengen countries that you can use visa C type and visa D type to enter. So let's move forward. What is type D visa? They say this long-time visa. Type D visas generally permit the holder to stay of between 91 days and 6 months. In exceptional cases, a type D visa may also be issued with a validity period of up to 12 months. Example, on the basis of an international agreement or with a validity period of less than 91 days, visa extension in Austria. A national type D visa issued by an Austria or another Schengen country permits the holder to travel freely within the territory of the other Schengen countries, which I have mentioned above, while holding this visa and a valid travel document for up to 90 days within a 180-day period, provided that the entry requirements set out in Article 6, subsection 1, subsection A, and subsection C and E of the Schengen Border Code are met, and the person is not on the national list of alerts of member country in question. Okay, take note, guys. Type D visa can only be issued abroad by an Austrian representation, so that you will not be scammed if anybody tells you that Austria are giving visa anywhere. It can only be given by an Austrian representation, as you guys can see it. If Austria is represented in a particular country by another Schengen country, that representation may only issue Schengen visas. If a type D visa is required, it is necessary to visit the competent Austrian representation in a neighboring country. So that is that. So the next is general information about requirements and documents. The third country nationals subject to airport requirements are generally subject to a visa requirement when entering Austria and throughout the duration of their stay. Exceptions may be agreed upon at EU level, for example, by means of an Austrian federal law or an agreement between countries. That is that you guys, please you read it. So we're going to the requirements. What are the requirements and documents needed for this visa? The first one is this visa application form. I'm going to open it for you guys to see. Did you guys see that? This is the application form. As you can see, Antrag auf Entteilung eines Schengen Visums. Application for Schengen visa. You can see name, all these things you need to fill it in. Let's go back. So the next one is a travel document valid in Austria with a validity period exceeding the duration of the visa by at least 3 months and with at least 2 empty pages that was issued within the last 10 years. That is your passport, okay? The third one is a passport photo, portrait format 35 by 45 mm in accordance with the specified passport photo criteria. The fourth one is the presentation of a fully comprehensive travel health insurance policy for the planned duration of the stay. Amount of cover is 30,000 euro, valid for the entire Schengen area. Take note. The fifth one is proof of sufficient means of subsistence for duration of the intended stay and for the return journey to the country of origin or residence. That is proof of the means by which you can survive in Austria. That is your bank statements. You need to prove it, that you can be able to sustain yourself when you come to Austria. Then the next one is, which is other evidence requested by the relevant authorities, hotel reservation, invitations, in case you're being invited by someone living in Austria, booking confirmations of your hotel reservation, return flight tickets, proof of gainful employment, if you're working back home where you're coming from. All these things are needed. Provide them, as these are adapted to the local standards and coordinated with other Schengen representations. The evidence to be provided may vary depending on the location. Take note, guys. And the last one is absence of other grounds for refusal, residence prohibition, alert issued by a Schengen country. That is if you have such challenges. So that is it for requirements. The next is costs and fees. If you click here now, nothing, you will not see anything. Let's try it and see what comes up. So I tried it, nothing came out of this. So I will attach a video cost on this video because I was not able to find it on this page If I find it in another place, I'm going to attach it to this video. So having explained all these things, I believe by now you'll be able to apply for your visa by yourself. So having taken you guys through all this process, I believe by now there's no way you cannot apply for this visa by yourself. Go ahead and apply, okay? Follow me on my Instagram as StyleOge, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.